To find the number of digits then, we need to know what power of 10 we have in our expression. So we're going to write 8 as 2 to the power 3, which gives us 2 to the power 9. And then what this tells us then is that we've got 2 times 5 to the power of 9 and 5 to the power 3 left over. So this means that we've got 7 times by 125 times by 10 to the power of 9, and 7 times by 125 is going to be 875 times by 10 to the power of 9. So that means we've got 3 digits plus another 9 digits, so that's going to give us 12 digits. Question 5 is a tricky one, and again we're looking for commonality. What do these two equations share? I'm going to change my bases to 2 and 5, and I'm going to look at this then, 5 to the x and 5 to the power 2. And what I'm going to do now then is I'm going to try and combine these two. So I want to end up with 5 to the power of 2x in each case. So to get that, what I need to do is I need to square both sides here, and on this side I need to put everything to the power of x. And what we end up with then is 2 to the power 12. Over here we have 2 to the power 4xy, and then we can see then that if these expressions are equal, then 12 is equal to 4xy, and then xy must be equal to 3. Question 6 is not as tricky as 5. First thing I do is break down 144. So, okay, well I know that that is 12 squared to the 2x, which is the same as 12 to the 4x. Now we're given 3's and 2's, so I'm going to break 12 down into 3 and 2. We know that that's going to be 3 times 2 squared to the power of 4x, which gives me 3 to the 4x, all times by 2 to the 8x. Then we know that 2 to the x equals b. We know 3 to the minus x equals a, so that means that 1 over 3x equals a, or 3 to the power of x equals 1 over a. So if we then use that knowledge, we could write these as 3 to the x to the power of 4 times by 2 to the x to the power of 8. And so that is going to give me 1 over a to the power of 4. Then we're going to get b to the power of 8. And so finally we're going to end up with b to the power of 8 all over a to the power of 4.